Today, we will turn our focus on finding volume of prisms. This presentation is being done by Melissa Robinson. Volume. Volume is used in finding the amount of space that an object takes up. The object must be three-dimensional. And also, you must know the measurement of the length, the height, and the width. Let's now look at the formula for finding the volume of a rectangular prism. The volume of the rectangular prism is the area of the base times its height. Or we can break down the base area by saying length by width. Then the volume would be the length by width by the height. Looking at this rectangular prism, the width is 5 meters. The height is 7 meters. And the length is 9 meters. Therefore, plugging in these values into our formula, 9 meters times 5 meters times 7 meters give a volume of 315 cubic meters. Now notice carefully, cubic meters is found by multiplying units by unit by unit. And in this particular case, the unit of measurement is meters. Now, let's look at the formula for finding the volume of a triangular prism. A triangular prism is so called because its cross-section has a triangular shape. In essence, the base is a triangle. This triangular prism has a height of 6 meters. Its base is 4 meters and its length is 10 meters. The area of the base is found by multiplying half the base times the height. The volume is the area of the base multiplied by its length. Now, if we break down the area of the base, we would get half the base times the height. Therefore, multiplying all of that by the length, we would be finding its volume. Remember, the base is 4 meters and the height is 6 meters. And of course, we did say that the length is 10 meters. Therefore, this would give a volume of 120 cubic meters. And this is found by multiplying half times 4, which is the base, times 6 meters, which is the height, times 10 meters, which is the length. We are now going to look at finding the volume of the circular prism. Notice that this shape here is cylindrical and the cross section is circular. The radius of this prism is 5 meters. The radius of a circle is half of its diameter. Now the diameter is any point on the circle to another point, but then this line goes through its center. The height of the prism is 10 meters. And if you remember in previous classes, we said the area of a circle can be found by multiplying the radius squared by pi. Therefore, the volume can be found by multiplying the area of the base times the height of the circular prism. The formula therefore reads pi r squared h. Pi has a constant value of 3.14 as decimal and 22/7 as fraction. The area of the base would be 3.14 times 5 meters times 5 meters. Therefore, the volume would be 3.14 times 5 meters times 5 meters times 10 meters, giving us a volume of 250 cubic meters. Ta-da-da! Let's look what you have learned today. Do you remember all you have learned today? Let's find out right now. Can you find the volume of the following prism? A rectangular prism whose length is 5 centimeters, width 3 centimeters, and height 7 centimeters. A triangular prism whose base is 12 millimeters, height 20 millimeters, and length 30 millimeters. Lastly, a cylinder whose radius measures 5.5 centimeters of a height of 10 centimeters. Now remember, the value of pi is 3.14. You can now go to work. See you in class next time. Thank you.